Matt Murray, you ready? Top Chrome UEFA Champions League Women's. We only have 2 boxes left, guys. They're in the personal section. I have literally over the last 3, 4, 5 days, whatever, watched guys in this hobby buying up cases of this, ripping it, selling singles, making money, and doing it again over and over and over. It's actually quite fantastic to see. Like, not that people are sleeping on it because that's sad. I mean, we opened like a few boxes and went, oh, this has incredible value. But Matt Murray notices because he's already bought some and he's back for more. 2 boxes left, though, in the personal section. When they're gone, they're gone. Here we go, Matt. Come on, baby. Ji So Young for Chelsea. On the Flags of Foundation insert. Hertig for Juby, Refractor rookie. There's Kirby on the back. That's that's Kaniak's girl. Kyra Hamrui for PSG to 150. 1 of 150. 1 of 150. Stop tempting me to buy a case. Goal Machines, Christiana Giurelli. Millie Gel for BK Hacken, Refractor rookie. Nothing to see in the personal stab. Nothing to see there. Khalifi for PSG. I think we've had a gold or better in every single box. Bonfantini for Juby. That's Italian. Claudia Pina for Barcelona. Spanish. Hannah Wick for BK Hacken. Refractor rookie. That's our only base pack of the box. I think there's usually just one. Oh, jinx that one. 2 in a row. There's straight jinx on that one. Here we go. I think this might be the auto. Maybe not. Also jinx that one. Stein Larson. I think she's a good one. Remember right. BK Hacken, rookie refractor. For some reason I thought Stein Larson's one of the bigger ones. We got some kind of pink action. Sarah Zadrazil for Bayern Munich to 150. Pink. Jesse Fleming for Chelsea, rookie refractor. Flags of Foundation of Lacasse for SL Benfica, Canada. Flags of Foundations. Oh, here's one of those on fire parallels. Hannah Wick, BK Hacken. This girl is on fire. Number is 75. And we've got Hannah Glass and an autograph of Saki Kumagai for Bayern Munich. Refractor auto. Matt Murray. There you have it.